Tonight, a Cobb County man serving life in prison in his 22-month-old son's death is trying to convince a judge to give him a new trial. It's been nearly 7 years since Cooper Harris died after his father, Ross, left him inside a hot car. The father's attorney arguing mistakes were made in the first trial, the prosecution insisting it was fair.
Joe Hankey walks us through when a judge could rule on all of this.
Ross Harris has been in prison since he was found guilty of murder and sentenced in December of 2016 to life in prison. At trial, prosecutors showed Harris left his son Cooper in a hot car for 7 hours in 2014. Today, he appeared virtually from Macon State Prison during a hearing where his attorney continued arguments, requesting Harris receive a new trial.
We're raising these constitutional protections under both the U.S. and the Georgia Constitution. And they weren't waived at trial. They weren't waived at the motion of new trial. And we asked the court to consider them.
Harris's attorney claims his client received an unfair trial in 2016 because evidence was wrongly omitted, and he believes certain questions should have been allowed that were not. Harris has long maintained what happened to Cooper was an accident and not deliberate. Prosecutors today argued he does not deserve a new trial because the one in 2016 was fair and he was well represented.
It appears that trial counsel was very effective in its representation of Mr. Harris. They fought tooth and nail for him. They had legitimate theories of their case. They pursued those legitimate theories of their case very doggedly.
Today's hearing ended with the judge requesting the state and Harris's counsel submit proposals by the end of next week for how the request for a new trial should proceed. Then Cobb County Superior Court Judge Mary Staley Clark will review those proposals. Her staff, though, tells me it could take a matter of weeks before she issues a ruling on Harris's request for a new trial.